Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I raise in response to the question raised by the Honourable Member regarding the Memorandum of Understanding between the Ministry and the United Nations University for Environment and Security. Mr. Speaker, sir, I begin by expressing my gratitude to the Cabinet for the decision to endorse the partnership between the Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways and the United Nations University for Environment and Human Security that has led to the formalizing of a MOU between this esteemed organization and the Ministry. Mr. Speaker, sir, the UNU-EHS plays a critical role in researching risks and adaptation related to the environmental hazards and global change. The UNU-EHS is the hosting organization of the Munich Climate Insurance Initiative and is a leading think tank on climate change and insurance, focusing on promoting policies and developing solutions to reduce this risk for vulnerable communities and the agriculture sector, considering the interaction between environmental and societal factors. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Pacific Insurance and Climate Adaptation Programme was established to enhance the financial preparedness and resilience of Pacific households, communities, small businesses, organizations, and governments against the economic impacts of climate change-induced disasters. The program, initiated in 2021, has successfully introduced the first climate risk micro-insurance products in the Pacific region, covering countries such as Fiji, Vanuatu, and Tonga, and is jointly implemented by the UN Capital Development Fund, UNCDF, and the UN Development Fund, Development Programme, UNDP, and the UNU-EHS through the Munich Climate Insurance Initiative. Mr. Speaker, sir, in Fiji's context, the Pacific Insurance and Climate Adaptation Programme has facilitated insurance payouts to farmers in the Western and Northern divisions following heavy rainfall in 2023 and 2024. The upcoming project involving the Fiji Agriculture and Rural Statistics Unit in the Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways and UNU-EHS aims to conduct a survey to evaluate the impact of these parametric insurance payouts on the economic decisions of beneficiaries, specifically farmers in Fiji. The survey will involve both recipients of the payouts and a control group to provide comparative analysis. Mr. Speaker, sir, the significance of this project lies in its multifaceted benefits to both parties involved. That is the Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways and UNU-EHS. Socially, the project will provide critical insights into how climate risk microinsurance can enhance the resilience of vulnerable populations, including women, farmers, and individuals with disabilities who are disproportionately affected by climate-induced disasters. Economically, the findings will inform policy decisions that could lead to more effective risk management strategies in the agriculture sector and improve the livelihoods of those farmers insured. Financially, this project aligns with broader efforts to promote economic resilience at the community level by integrating market-based insurance solutions into national disaster risk management frameworks. Mr. Speaker, sir, the UN University selected the Fiji Agriculture Statistics Unit within the Ministry as the ideal partner to carry out this survey. due to its proven record of extensive experience in conducting fieldwork across Fiji and managing large-scale data collection on the agriculture sector critically impacted by climate change. Mr. Speaker, the long-term implications of this MOU are significant to both the Ministry and the UNU EHS. For the Ministry, successful implementation and analysis of the PCAP payout survey could lead to a more resilient agricultural sector, better equipped to withstand and recover from climate-induced shocks. The insights gained could drive the adoption of similar insurance schemes across other sectors, fostering a culture of proactive risk management and financial preparedness in Fiji. Furthermore, the Ministry, on the other hand, would benefit from the technical expertise and global perspective that UNU EHS brings, enabling more effective implementation and evaluation of the insurance scheme and climate-resilient work for the agriculture sector. For the UN University, this collaboration aligns to develop and implement innovative climate adaptation strategies. The data gained from this project will contribute to UNU EHS's global research portfolio in influencing policy and practice in other vulnerable regions worldwide. This project is a critical step in expanding the evidence base for the effectiveness of parametric insurance in Fiji and the Pacific as a whole. Mr. Speaker, sir, in conclusion, the Ministry appreciates that this collaboration and achievements of this project may open doors and promote a sustainable partnership for future research and statistical partnerships between the United Nations University and the Ministry, dedicated to enhancing resilience against climate change in the agriculture sector. I thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.